If I had to start a YouTube channel from absolute zero in 2026, there are three fatal errors I would avoid at all costs. The first mistake is focusing on long form videos right at the start. In 2026, the algorithm is obsessed with shorts. Whether you open the app or search for a specific topic, shorts are dominating the top results. Until you build a core subscriber base, don't waste time on long form content. Stick exclusively to shorts to build momentum first. Once the channel has established authority, that's when you pivot to longer videos. Second mistake is posting on only one platform. Most creators post their content on YouTube alone and completely ignore everything else. They are missing the bigger picture. Always repurpose your shorts onto other platforms like Instagram. More platforms lead to higher face value and diversified income. The final biggest mistake is that new creators try to reinvent the wheel from day one. They start making videos based solely on their own gut feeling. Instead, when you are starting out, you need to become an observer. Study the giants in your niche, analyze how they select their topics, the rhythm of their editing, and the structure of their storytelling. Don't worry about being unique yet. First, learn by following the formats that are already proven to work. Once you have gained enough experience and understood the mechanics of a hit video, that's when you should start developing your own signature style.